the Balaalo. Balaalo. Balaalo, 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 Balaalo. This land here. Those days it is actually we used to love land. But now everyone wants to start loving land. Because people have realized why. Actually doesn't care about the statistic of 68% poor or what. As long as we have the land and rain is raining, Actually doesn't care. Now they have touched where Acholi doesn't want to be touched. That is exactly the honest of Acholi, is what has been touched. The land, that's what Balaalo has touched. Fine, I can't say not every Balaalo might have bought land genuinely. There might be some. But one thing we need to put into consideration, there are some Acholi, especially the youth, who sell land without telling the elders. When you sell a customer land on your own without the agreement of every stakeholders, that's not selling. It's like government properties. When the government finds that I have put I am owning, I'm using a government property as mine now. For example, a motorcycle. The government will first start by confiscating that property. After that one, arresting me, then I will be forced to produce the person who sold that property to me. That is the same procedure that should have been done with Balaalo. Get back the property, just like the team of Dola are saying, of which Museveni also made orders clearly telling Balaalo to leave. Some people who go underground and say, hey, Balaalo should not go, Balaalo should not, hey, please, let's do like this, let's do like this. Then the Museveni comes back and say, 2 more weeks, 3 more weeks, until the things change that, put fence. The right procedure was to first make Balaalo out, confiscating the property back. Then the Balaalo who are the owners, because if you spend your money sincerely, you will come back and start claiming for the transport of disturbing you and the land which you genuinely bought. And it will be scrutinized and given back to you, or if these people can refund, they would refund your money. That was the right procedure. It was not done. But I'm glad it is the one that the Joseph team of Dodo are advocating. Balaalo problem, I'm very sure we are entering with it in 2024.